Welcome to the official engineering breakdown of the Weisen Whipless RGBW LED cage light kit. This heavy-duty system represents the next generation of integrated vehicle lighting. Engineered for premium UTVs, Jeeps, and custom buggies, it delivers a low-profile, clean aesthetic directly onto your roll cage. Build quality is forged around a rugged, aerospace-grade aluminum housing. Every single component features precision sealing to achieve a certified IP67 waterproof and shockproof rating. This ensures long-term performance against heavy water pressure, deep mud immersion, and high-frequency trail vibrations. At the core of its universal compatibility is our engineered heavy-duty adjustable tube mount. This structural steel clamp perfectly accommodates round bars ranging from 1.5 to 2 inches. It bolts directly to your factory roll cage out of the box with zero drilling or chassis modifications. Functionality meets ultimate versatility with the included long-range wireless controller. Drivers can instantly toggle between 9 dynamic RGB color modes for social gatherings, or activate the independent, high-output LED chips to flood the surrounding terrain with a crisp, 6100 Kelvin pure white workspace light. The complete package includes our automotive-grade DT wiring harness, providing a safe, 100% plug-and-play installation. Upgrade your vehicle with genuine studio-grade hardware today. Click the link below to verify your exact cage diameter and shop direct now.